Do you know there is one tax consultant is there? Tax inspector is there. Something like income tax or GST, somewhere, some tax. They gave $9,000 extra you require to pay tax, like they told to tax consultant, okay, about some customer like. Then the tax consultant came, approached the tax inspector, saying, how you are going to keep $9,000 as per so and so law? This is not allowed. Okay, like this tax consultant trying to prove that he is wrong. It's a bad debt. It must be tax. It's related to a bad debt. Bad debt. Where is the question of tax? Like there is some issue. He's telling that it's a bad debt. So tax assumption is there. Like then that person is telling, tax inspector is telling, no chance at all. Whether the debt is bad or good, but compulsory it should be taxable, so and so rule. Like that person is telling, this person is trying to prove. Then slowly the argument is rising like anything. Then this tax consultant identified. It goes to the next level, like then immediately what the tax consultant did is get down. Yeah, maybe my knowledge is bookish knowledge. From the books I aware, but you had wonderful experience. You saw this type of cases multiple. Okay, like really, if I have that experience, I may not think like this. But lack of experience causing the problem to me, like this tax consultant get down in front of the tax inspector. Once this person get down, then automatically your tax inspector ego got satisfied. Here the problem is tax inspector never going to think about logic, sir. He's always going to think about emotion. Hey, I'm the tax inspector. How this person is telling I'm the wrong. His ego got hurted. His self-respect is going to be down. That's why he is trying to protect himself. Then whenever the opposite person is tell, my knowledge is the bookish knowledge, you have wonderful experience, you saw these type of cases multiple, maybe that thing is the correct. He came in reverse, then automatically that person, ego satisfied, his self-respect got protected. Then normal discussion, tax inspector talks normally, talking about his kids, his education, and so on. At last, what happened is, tax inspector told that you are not required to pay that 9,000. I will do maafi kind of thing, don't worry. Like he gave the word, and then he left. Observe that. I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? I have decided to leave your tax return exactly as you filed it. I decided, okay, no problem. You are not required to pay any extra. Just whatever you filed, I'm going to accept this. The inspector wanted to feel important. Okay, while persons argued, the inspector, defendant is the authority. When person appreciated him, there was no need to defend himself anymore. So, sometimes people don't resist your ideas. They resist the feeling unimportant. Arguments create resistance. Appreciation reduces defensiveness. Respect opens closed minds. People enjoy being valued. I told right, in every person neck, that board, if you see that board, arguments, these kind of things, meaningless, man. I hope it's clear. So, nothing, yes. You're never going to get any benefit from the arguments. You're never going to get any benefit from the arguments. Come out of that. Don't try to initiate. In the normal arguments, logics the people won't follow. The things are going to work only with emotions, their ego, their self-respect. You are attacking their self-respect. You are playing the games with the opposite person's ego. That's why they are trying to defend themselves. Okay?